tonight we are going to use my Phyto-Nature Firming Serum from Dermalogica and my Gua Sha stone. This is my Gua Sha and Phyto-Nature Firming Serum bedtime routine. When I first got my Gua Sha stone, I was like, okay, what is this? It seems tricky for such a basic little tool. It's not that tricky once you figure it out, and tonight we are going to use it together so you feel comfortable using a Gua Sha stone at home. The Phyto-Nature Firming Serum pairs perfectly with the Gua Sha technique. So the Gua Sha massage can actually be done all over your body using different types of tools similar to this one that ultimately helps alleviate stress and improve circulation on your body, or in this case, your face. It stimulates microcirculation in your soft tissue. The Gua Sha facial massage tool will give you kind of a similar face feel as the jade roller would. So originally, the first few times that I used the Gua Sha tool, I noticed redness in the areas that I was massaging, and I thought I was actually pushing too hard. Seeing redness is good because that means that you're stimulating blood flow, and you want to stimulate blood flow. Of course, you don't want to push too hard, but you definitely want to see some redness because that means that it's ultimately working and increasing circulation. So there are different types of Gua Sha tools for massage. This one is specific to mostly your face, but you can use it on your chest and neck, even back area, to relieve tension and promote circulation. Today, we are just going to use it on our face with our Dermalogica Phyto-Nature Firming Serum. Generally what happens when we're stressed, which is most days, often, what the body will do is it will draw blood flow away from the face and deliver it into your organs and maybe other muscles, parts of your body. So that means that your face is left lacking that circulation that will keep it looking young and healthy. If you're stressed, your skin is going to age. So I love Gua Sha because what it does is it addresses the issue that stress creates. Let's talk about the Phyto-Nature Firming Serum for a sec. And there are two separate chambers. One side is for lifting and the other side is for firming. A couple key ingredients in the Phyto-Nature Firming Serum: Madagascar green bean coffee. It works with the skin's microbiome that helps revitalize the skin and decrease fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid that helps with filler effect, decreases the appearance of fine lines after only one application. Amazonian camu camu from Peru that helps with prolonged radiance. Camu camu is actually known as the youth berry, and it is a superfood and has 60 times more vitamin C than an orange. Rock and rock rose that will help neutralize skin damaging free radicals. The Phyto-Nature Firming Serum is a potent technology with plant-derived bioextracts that help visibly tighten the skin. And it reduces visible wrinkles in only 4 weeks. Okay, so let's get to it. You want to make sure that you push right in the center. You want the product to come out both of the pumps. I haven't an issue with this, but if you're pushing too hard to one side, you might be encouraging the product to come out only one of the pumps, and we want both. We want both. Liquid gold. One thing that I love about the Phyto-Nature Firming Serum is that it is actually safe for your very, very sensitive under eye area. We're going to use our Gua Sha massage tool. What I have noticed is there's almost no wrong way. It feels so fantastic. So let's get into it. You can already see that it has encouraged a little bit of redness where I've used it so far, and that's a good thing. That's circulation. and done. Phyto-Nature Firming Serum and my Gua Sha massage tool. I actually already noticed a difference in my skin's feel, and I definitely feel ready for bed. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight while I used my Phyto-Nature Firming Serum and my Gua Sha tool. You don't need to worry too much about having a Gua Sha massage tool. If you don't have one, you can even just massage your face with your hands using the Phyto-Nature Firming Serum. That will also help promote relaxation and circulation in your face, which is exactly what you need.